Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a whisper on the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can watch various different streams. Now, if you wish to create a whisper of any stream, then just tap on this live stream and this will open up the live stream and the chat window as well. In order to create a whisper, just tap on the clip icon at the top section alongside the share button. And now this will create a clip of the live stream, which you can edit by tapping on the edit button. After editing your clip, tap on the share through whisper option. And now you can start your chosen whisper. And once you choose the user, the whisper will be sent to this user right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create and send a whisper on the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.